those who will make their private commitment. Ang sabi ni Pope Francis, when he visited the players in Assisi, he asked them, "Are you a bunch of old maids or joyful consecrated?" Siyempre sabi ng Pope Francis, we are joyful consecrated. Can I see joy?
Kailangan kita. Okay.
Masaya ba kayo sa buhay natin?
Kailangan ko na entertain sa
Ayan! Kaya sabi ni Pope Francis,
Dalita board daw kasi. Ikaw na lang board na nakita ko rin. Dito si ano.
there's so much joy.
Kaya tingnan mo to
And ang call Father Angel and Sister Helen.
Saan si Arvin?
Papakilala mo kami kasi kami po ang